Good day, grade 8. For this video, we are going to learn about neutral atoms and ions. What is a neutral atom? A single atom is said to be electrically neutral if its number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. Mathematically, for a neutral atom, atomic number is equal to number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. For instance, magnesium with atomic number 12 and mass number 24 has 12 protons and 12 electrons. Therefore, this magnesium atom is a neutral atom. Our formula in getting the mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. For a neutral atom, atomic number is equal to number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. And then the number of neutrons is equal to the mass number minus number of protons. Let's have our activity, count me. Give the number of the subatomic particles of the different neutral atoms. For example, titanium atomic number is 22. So, the number of protons is also equal to 22. And since it is a neutral atom, protons is equal to electrons, also 22. And the number of neutrons, mass number minus atomic number. 48 minus 22 equals 26. Sa nickel naman, number of proton is 28. Since the atomic number is 28, the number of proton is also equal to 28. And since it is a neutral atom, protons equals electrons, 28. Number of neutrons equals mass number minus. Yan, so mass number 59 minus atomic number 28 equals 31. Good day, grade 8. We're here to learn about ions. So, what are ions? Atoms may gain charges. This happens when electrons are lost or gained by the atom. When this happens, the atom becomes an ion. A negative charge ion, or anion, has more electrons than protons. A positive charge ion, cation, has fewer number of electrons than protons. To get the charge of ion is equal to the number of protons minus the number of electrons. The charge of ion is written with a positive or negative sign after the number, as in 1 positive, and sometimes before it, as in positive 1. Ang neutral atom nga ay nagiging ion kapag nag-loss o nabawasan ang electron or nag-gain or nadagdagan ng electron. Pag nabawasan ng electrons, ito ay nagiging positively charged or cation. Pag naman nadagdagan o nag-gain ng electrons, ito ay nagiging negatively charged o anion. Dahil nga may nadagdag na electron, which is alam natin na ang electrons ay negatively charged. For example, ang sodium atom na ito ay magiging cation pag nabawasan o nag-loss ng electron. Ito namang chlorine atom na ito will become an ion kapag nag-gain o nadagdagan ng electron. Shown here is the shorthand notation of sodium. Yung nasa right superscript ang net charge, which is equal to protons minus electrons. Nasa left superscript ang mass number, which is equal to the sum of protons plus neutron. Sa baba, ang atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons. Let's have our activity. Give the number of the subatomic particles of the different ions. For example, in oxygen ion, -2 is the net charge, 8 is the atomic number, and 16 is the mass number. Number of protons is equal to 8 since the atomic number is 8. Then, the number of electrons, since ang net charge is -2, ibig sabihin, nag-gain ng 2 electrons. So, 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 electrons. Ang number of neutrons naman, mass number 16 minus atomic number 8 equals 8. For this aluminum ion, the net charge is +3. Atomic number is 13 and mass number is 27. Number of protons equals the atomic number 13. The net charge is +3. So, ibig sabihin, nag-loss ng 3 electrons. So, 13 minus 3 equals 10 electrons. Number of neutrons equals mass number 27 atomic number 13 equals 14.